Hello everyone, Shrey here, and today I'm going to be doing 100 Days of Programming, Day 3. And today the question that I have done is Two Sum, which is on LeetCode. It states that given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add to target. Basically, it's pretty simple to understand. It's 2, 7, 11, 15, right? And your target is 9. So of this list, you add all of them together, and whichever equals 9, you return not the numbers themselves. We return the index. So in this case, that would be 2 and 7. So here, this is shown. I actually did two solutions, and of these two solutions, this one is obviously better. As you can see, it's a little bit more complicated, but this is basically just a double for loop that goes through I and it goes through j, which is another variable. Then it adds those two numbers together, and if it equals target, it will return the index of those two numbers. But in class solution 2, it's a lot faster, and I'll show you why. I'll show you the example later. And here you create an empty dictionary, and so a dictionary is really good for this question because it stores both the index and the value. Same thing for I, which stores, this is the index and this is the value. So it goes for I num and enumerate nums, right? So it enumerates nums. It'll check if target minus num, target minus num is in the scene dictionary. If not, it will make the scene number be equal to I, but if that's the case, it'll return scene target minus num, comma I. Now, the way this works is that it basically goes, and the reason why this part of the question works is that so let's say your target is 9 and you stumble across the number 7, right? This number is equal to 2. But if you check scene, you'll see that in scene there is the number 2. So then you'll just return 0, 1. Pretty easy, fairly simple, and a very elegant solution to a surprisingly difficult question. At least for someone who hasn't done Python in a while. But here I'll show you the speeds and why ones, or not why, but how each one is faster than the other. So when running this one, you'll see that the runtime was up. Sorry, I'll actually have to submit here. So my prior submissions were 3,516 milliseconds, 3,580, 3,472. So you can see it's pretty slow. And if we put in the other solution, we go and see that it's a lot faster. As you can see, the runtime is only 40 milliseconds, and it is faster than 92% of the submissions. And so you can see this question was fairly interesting, but overall I did solve it, and it took some time. But thank you for watching.